Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Yesterday we were talking about interesting lesson. The name of our lesson was classification, and we did 3 examples. First example was of clothes. Clothes means what? Kapde, right? 3 clothes were there, and then one was odd man out in that. Correct? One was shirt, pant, and frock. And what was odd man out in that? Shoes were odd man outs in that. Second one is what? Second one was there was one stool. Second was car. Then there was a rounder table, you can say, or you can say table normal, and chair. And 3 were furniture, and one was what? One was car. So what we did? We cancelled car. Third example was of, first was of hockey stick, second was of bat and ball, third one was of racket and shuttle, and the fourth one was of big building. And 3 things were related with what? 3 things were related with games. हॉकी स्टिक आपण कशासाठी वापरतो? खेळायला. बॅट अँड बॉल कशासाठी वापरतो? खेळायला. रॅकेट अँड शटल कशासाठी वापरतो आपण? खेळायला. बिल्डिंग आपण खेळायला वापरतो का? नो. So what was odd man out in that sentence, that examples? Building was odd man out, and we wrote remaining 3 examples are of games. Now see, fourth example which is in front of you is, I am able to draw some pictures, so I have drawn some pictures. Okay, मला काही चित्र काढता आले ते मी काढले, आणि जे काढता नाही आले त्यांचे मी स्पेलिंग्स लिहिलेत. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज व्हॉट? इट इज अ pumpkin. ओके, सेकंड वन इज फ्लावर. Third one is, it is carrot, and the fourth one is also vegetable. I will just show you picture. Now see fourth one. What it is? Vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. And this is what one in between only. What it is? It is flower. So then all 3 are what in fourth example? All 3 are vegetables and one is flower. So what we are going to cancel in this? We are going to cancel flower. Flower is not a vegetable. And then what are these 3 all? These 3 all are vegetables. What are they? They are vegetables. Understood? So from the examples which are given upside, we are going to complete, we have completed just now what? We have completed just now vegetables. Okay, completed what? Vegetables. Now we are going to study fifth example. Can you see fifth example? Fifth example is of bird. Let me show you picture. Fifth example is of bird, cat. It is what? Dog. And the last one is cow. Correct? Bird, cat, dog and cow. Now tell me, I have not drawn pictures. मी चित्र काढलेली नाही आहेत. Bird, cat, dog and cow. Cat काय आहे? Animal. Dog काय आहे? Animal. Cow काय आहे? काऊला मराठीतून काय म्हणतो आपण? गाय. सो इट इज व्हॉट? ॲनिमल. देन बर्ड इज व्हॉट? आय थिंक सो इट इज स्पॅरो. आय विल राईट डाऊन यस स्पॅरो. आय विल नॉट राईट बर्ड, आय विल राईट डाऊन स्पॅरो. सो स्पॅरो इज व्हॉट? स्पॅरो इज अ बर्ड. बर्ड म्हणजे काय? पक्षी. आणि हे बाकीचे काय आहे? हे बाकीचे सगळे ॲनिमल्स आहेत. सो व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू क्रॉस? वी आर गोइंग टू क्रॉस स्पॅरो. And these 3 all 3 are what? They are animals. What are they? They are animals. Now sixth example, I have drawn picture, but then I don't know whether you will understand or not. So first one is capsicum, red capsicum. In Marathi what we call for capsicum? Dobri, Shimla mirchi, or then Dobri mirchi you say. Second one is rose. This is also flower, and this is also flower. I will show you picture. See now sixth one. One is what? Vegetable. Second one is flower. Third one is flower. and fourth one is also flower. So then from this 4, 3 are flowers and 1 is vegetable. Then what is odd man out? ह्याच्यामध्ये सगळे सारखे कोणते? 3 सारखे आहेत. हे काय आहे? फुलं आहेत आणि एकच काय आहे? व्हेजिटेबल आहे. सो व्हॉट इज ऑड मॅन आउट? व्हेजिटेबल इज ऑड मॅन आउट. सो आय विल कॅन्सल vegetable, and what I will do here, I will write down these all 3 are flowers. What are these all 3? They are flowers. Understood? Now 7th example which is given over here is of, it is of fruits. Let me show you fruits. 7th example. First one is what? काय हे? ब्रिंजल. What do you call for brinjal in Marathi? काय म्हणतात तुम्ही याला? वांगी. Right? Second one is pear. It is a fruit. Third one is apple. And the fourth one is mango. मग हे 4 याच्यामध्ये what is fruit and what is vegetable? Only one vegetable is there and remaining all are what? Remaining all are fruits. So what we are going to do here is, pear is fruit, apple is fruit, mango is fruit. So what we are going to write down them? They are fruits. And brinjal is what? Brinjal is vegetable. So we are going to cross it. It is what? Vegetable. So we are going to cross it. It is odd man out. बाकीचे सगळे काय आहेत? फळ आहेत आणि एकच काय आहे? भाजी आहे. म्हणून आपण काय केलं? त्याला ऑड मॅन आउट केलं. ऑड. इट इज ऑड मीन्स इट इज डिफरंट. सो ब्रिंजल इज व्हॉट? इट इज ऑड मॅन आउट. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज ऑफ बाईक, रिक्षा, चेअर अँड जीप. I will show you picture. The last example of our lesson is bike, rickshaw, chair and jeep. Now all these 3 are what? 1, 2 and 3. हे काय आहेत? They are means of transport. Means of transport म्हणजे काय? आपण याच्यावरती फिरतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इफ यू वॉन्ट टू गो इन मार्केट, तुम्ही गावात जायचं असलं तर तुम्ही याच्यावरती बसून जाऊ शकतात. You can go in market in scooter, not scooter, it is called rickshaw. In jeep also you can sit and go anywhere. On chair you can sit and go anywhere. तुम्ही फिरू शकतात का चेअरमध्ये? No, it is a furniture. So chair is furniture and then remaining all 3 are what? Remaining all 3 are vehicles. All 3 are what? Vehicles. So I am going to write down. They are vehicles. VEHICLES, vehicles. And chair is what? Chair is furniture. So I am going to cross it. Chair is what? Chair is furniture. So what I have done? I have done crossed. I have crossed out the odd man out. It is different. So I have done what? Odd man out of chair. In this way, yesterday we studied 3 examples and today we have studied 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th examples. I think you will able to identify and you will able to classify. If I will give you 4 to 5 things and from that 4 things are same and 5th one thing is different, then what you can do? You can say, ma'am, these 4 things are same and one is different. So this 5th thing which is different, it is odd man out. Understood? Have you understood? Okay. In this way, what we have studied about classification of animals, classification of birds, classification of games, classification of vegetables, classification of fruits, classification of flowers, classification of furniture, classification of clothes. 8 examples are there. Understood? What we have done? We have done classification. Whatever is same, that we have written separate, and whatever is different, that we have done cross. In this way, you have to write down all 8 examples in your English grammar notebook. तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे? तुमची इंग्लिश ग्रामर नोटबुक काढायची आहे. लेसनचं नाव लिहायचं, लेसन नंबर 7 क्लासिफिकेशन, आणि पिक्चर्स काढायचे नाही आहे. ओके, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर्स. What you will do? You will only write down names For example, first one shirt, shoes, then what was there? Pant and frock. Now in this 4, what is odd man out? Shoes is odd man out. Then cross it and write down remaining all 3 things are what? Clothes. I will write and send you, and same thing you can copy in your English grammar notebook. Have you understood? This is your homework for today. Now after this lesson, we have completed lesson classification. I will just show you that page, classification. You don't have grammar books. This year grammar books are not there. So lesson number 7, classification. In this way it is. Can you see? Yes. And you have to write down spellings, and after writing spellings, whatever is odd man out, that you have to cancel, and whatever three things are there, that you have to write down what it is, you have to write down front side. I will send you photo of this. Okay. Then we will meet again on Thursday with new lesson A and N, lesson number 8, or we will take a new lesson of English Bal Bharati book. Okay. Thank you.